Hello everyone, here is a brief demo video to showing you how to use my modified model. So here is my GitHub. You can open it and then you see a folder named modified model. So this folder contains all the files and script of all the things related to the modified model. You can open it, and here the document file that can tells you all the changes I have made to the original model and how to use these changes. So the first thing I'd like to mention here is read JSON modified. So for this one, I have made some change. It can make you record the key points of only one person through all the JSON file, and then you can record the others so that they will not mix together and influence or the affect your training. So let's see how to run it. So make sure first here is a emptiness. You need to run it first, and then for this part, let's say if there are two people in the video, you only want to report the key point for the first person. So here you can remain all this original and change here. Make sure that here is 2, and then let's change it to 0, so that you will only record the key point of the first person. And then after you finish, you want to add the second person's key point after the first person, so you can change it to 1, so that the second person's key point will be added. And then you will transfer this list to a data frame and then convert it to a CSV file that's ready for training. You can see here I also uploaded the trained model. It's here, and make sure you download the PTH file that contains all the parameters of the training model. So if let's suppose that you have already downloaded and you open the trained model, and you can go through this, load all the parameters, and then you can directly use it. So you can use this function to test your test videos. So let's say you have already generated the test CSV using the read JSON file, and then you go through this function, you will get a text file that contains all of these things. So let me illustrate how to read it. So the first, this is the time step, and here shows 3 values that corresponding to the probability of each class. The first one refers to talking to people, the second one is talking on phone, and the third one is others. That means neither talking to people nor talking on phone. And then it will tell you which one has the biggest probability. So here, the others has 0.98, that's the highest among the 3 numbers. So this one, it belongs to the first time step, it belongs to others. So once you have the test video, you generate the CSV file by read JSON, and then you pass it through this function, you can get the text file, and then you can see you can very easily to verify if the model generates right labels or not. So that's all. Thank you for watching.